Alright, y'all. We got a 212 Predator. We got a torque converter and some other parts up there. We're gonna do us a 212 mini quad. Teal and white. About to get her set up. Alright, so here I am. I got the carburetor, stock carburetor removed. I'm still in the process. Got to get studs out and a couple more things because we're going over to this bad boy. Look at the size differences between them carburetors, guys. My boy. All right, so we're gonna get this carburetor set up on here, get the studs out, get the new one bolted in. I already got the torque converter mounted, plate mounted. I ain't got the primary head on it yet, but we'll get to that. And then I'm gonna go to fitting it in the frame. We're gonna mock up some mounts and this and that, you know the drill. And then we'll tear it back down, get her sprayed up, and put all our new parts on. And this right here, how we get these studs out, I just tighten my drill up on the stud and then get the loosening. Number 2. And there they are. All right, we gotta get some Allen wrenches because it's time to assemble the carburation device. All right, guys, got the carburetor dummied on. Got the motor blocked up where I need it to sit. Got my chain lined up. All right, now I'm gonna make some mounts to catch onto this plate. And I'm gonna catch these old gas tank bolts too from the top to help support. Catch the plate in the front, catch the plate in the back, and get the 2 top mounts for the old tank. Check her out. What y'all thinking? All right, guys. I got a post on each side, holding up the bottom of the plate. I got the top mounts put in. I got it lined up. Now I'm gonna remove the motor and finish welding everything up and add another support from the front here down to there and one in the back down to in between there. And then come to the other side. I'll do one from here down in between here and cut these out of here and clean this part up too. But that's it, guys. And yeah, don't, you know, I know most Predators are on slotted holes, you know, so you can adjust your chains on a go-kart. This isn't a go-kart, as you can tell. We have chain adjusters on the axle of any ATV, so the motor can be stationary and we can adjust chain slack through the rear axle. All right, guys, I'm gonna get it finished up. We'll come back at you. All right, pressure washed it all up. About to start disassembling. She tore down, getting primered up. We're gonna get all these pieces painted up and then get all the new parts back on. Hey, welding wheelies. I'm gonna start getting this motor put into the frame. We got all the turquoise pieces painted. Starting to work on the white, and then we're gonna get to the gold. All right, tell me this thing ain't gonna look beautiful. It got late last night. I had to go grab some more paint. Got the motor put in. Here's all the pieces dried out. There's the brand new shocks. I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling the rest of the bike, except for these few pieces here, because I still gotta get the wire wheel on them, get some primer on them, and that's what we're going for. Yeah, tell me what y'all think.
Surrounded by bitch, I'm looking like William, but I ain't my girlfriend. Bro, I'm gonna spin on your block back to back when they finish. It look like the world end. I ain't asked for it, they did it to me. What niggas exposing their hands for free? Get caught in the middle of this bullseye. You got hit, but we were targeting heat. Popping my shit with a capital P. SRT, red eye, red key. Might be ugly, but my bitch press. She ain't niggas sneeze, but still I bluff. I don't like niggas, I don't like bitches, I don't like nobody. I just looked at my wrist, I got time to think.
There it is. Last few items finished up with the gold. Here's the rest of the bike. That's it. Just gotta tighten the chain up, and then I can put this cover on.